What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I'm your boy Travis. My company's called Stray Racing, and today we're going to do a bit of an update on my DR10. You would have seen it, the Fluoro Yellow Beast, in my last video, one of my last videos that I put out. We raced on the weekend here in Melbourne for our list racing, and I finished up top of this table, so I'm number one on the list right now. But things are heating up. And whilst I only lost one race to end up a number one, because we did a round robin because it was a list shake-up. I need to be on top of my game. So during that race, my car had a tendency to parachute. So the front wheels would lift up, and then the car would do a backflip or a kickflip or a mick twist or a pop shove it or something like that over the line. So I've actually gone and named the car Kickflip. Hopefully I can insert a clip now. It's got the name Kickflip, and now you'll understand. But the reason why the car was doing that is because in testing my very first pass of the day, I managed to back the car into a curb. Completely my fault, but that broke my wheelie bar. So today the new wheelie bar's come, and I've also got a couple of other upgrades as well. So let's go down and have a look. Alright, so there she is. Project Kickflip, it was all its glory. Had to cut the back out because I was trying to limit some of the parachuting. It helped a little bit. On race day, where the wheelie bar did come out to here, but it broke, so I did a bit of a race day fix and came up with this little solution here, this little stubble wheelie bar, which, you know, certainly helped, but you know, when your car's doing 100 k's an hour on the back wheels, there's not much you can do to stop it from parachuting. So here we've got the new wheelie bar pieces. These are from RevXS. These are really, really nice. See if I can get a nice good shot in the sun for you. So you can see it's the forged carbon, which is super duper sexy. I can't wait to put those bad boys on. And we've also got some RevXS carbon fibre beadlock rings. So these look really, really good as well. So we're going to chuck those on the Proline beadlocks here. So I'm going to go ahead and make those changes now, and then, you know, we'll come back up and I'll tell you what I think, and hopefully the car will feel a little bit lighter and look a little bit nicer. So I know you're asking yourself why I go to the sexy carbon fibre beadlocks other than just going for looks. Well, the other thing is weight saving. So these were 136 grams. Now they're 124 grams. So you're saving about 12 grams of weight per wheel. That's about 10% saving. So you're reducing, you know, up to 30 grams of weight from the overall vehicle. Plus that's unsprung weight, so it's worth even more. And it means that you can move the weights around. So yeah, not a bad little upgrade. All right, guys. So we've had the changes. We've made them now. So here you can see the wheels. As you saw previously, we had the weight saving, about 30 grams overall between the two wheels, which is good because it means that we can move these weights around. Moving the weights around obviously is really important. So if you can hear any noise in the background, next door neighbours have a pool and it's a lovely day, so they're out in it, as I would be too if I too had a pool. And then this is the wheelie bar. So wheelie bar's been done. Let me see if I can get some sun on that for you. There you go, you can see the beautiful forged carbon fibre. And then I've come up with putting some of these wheels on it. These are wheels off one of my track drag cars that I acquired. So as you can see, I've got a little bit of flex in there. I don't know if I'll run them or not. I mean, I'll test them and see if they work really well, but yeah, other than that, so that's Kickflip. She's, you know, ready to race again. Oh, one last thing. So Tekken have just released a new update to the RX8 Gen 3 280 firmware, which is the drag racing firmware, where this ESC can now be used with timing, which is boost, and turbo, which is kind of like throttle delay. So you can add up to an extra 30 degrees of timing by that. So I'm definitely going to be playing with that. Although there is going to be a nice new Tekken motor coming to pair up with that, which I can't wait for. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got something enjoyable out of it, and we'll see you on the next one.